I've always wanted to create a YouTube channel. Talaga na gustong gawin yun. Kaya lang, lagi ko kina-question sarili ko, parang, ano pag-usapan mo? Ano ba alam mo dyan? Hindi nga marunong mag-shoot ng video eh. Then na-realize ko, I'll never know what I try to talk about unless I try ko. And if I'm really true to myself na I really want to do this for myself, para sa akin, hindi kahit walang manood, okay lang. Importante matuto ko. So ngayon, I did a 5-kilometer run yesterday. I plan to do a marathon in a year. I have an ultimate goal, pero right now, I just want to do something. I'm signing up for a 5-kilometer race in Feb. And try ko tumakbo the whole year. Why am I actually doing this? I really don't know. Pero alam ko lang na I don't want to lift heavy anymore. Wala pa ako sa mind frame in competing in bodybuilding, which I love. I love bodybuilding. I love strength. So, what's the next best thing? Noon tayo sa 1, hindi ko pa nagagawa ever. 2, alam kong itataas niya yung skill level ko. 3, something that's challenging for me. Running has always been my Waterloo. Hindi ko siya magawa. Never ko siya nagawa. So, I'm taking this challenge at the age of 43, turning 44 next year sa 2026. Tignan ko lang hanggang saan ako. Kung either way, malalaman mo kasi. Importante kasi sa buhay is you test your limits. Hindi ka mediocre. Hindi ka lang nagsistay ko sa kanakasanayan mo. Tama na, kailangan may structure, merong sistema, pero the constant challenging of yourself, yan ang rason ba tayo nabubuhay. Hindi to ko sa pera, hindi to ko sa anong meron kang gamit. It's more of what do you do with your life that is worth remembering. Na tuloy-tuloy ka nag-i-improve, no matter what age, no matter what level, no matter what success, meron ka tinitira na para sa'yo, sa pagkatao mo, sa pagkalalaki mo, na ginagawa mo para sa sarili mo. Kaya to journal ko to. First lift ko to after running 5 kilometers. First time kong tumakbo ng 1 hour. Sore ako, sabi sa akin ng watch ko, magpahinga, pero I feel like I need to move and lift something heavy. First set natin, 110. 110 kilos, siguro I'll end up today mga 140, 150, 5 reps at a time. Itong deadlift, matagal ko ito tinrabaho, paano matuto lang maayos ito. Dami kong ginawa. Essentially kasi dami ko naging injuries through the years na made me have a limiting belief na hindi ko ito kaya. Yan, binibreak ko rin yung barrier na yan. So first set, to do a deadlift, unang-una dapat may space yung bar between you and your shin. Tagal ko natutunan yan. Tinest ko yan maraming beses to myself, to clients. Second, hindi ka dapat uupo. Huwag ka di sa squat. So dapat meron ka pa ring level of engagement of the hamstring without sitting down. So I lean forward. I try to engage my hips, pushing forward, hamstrings, lengthening my lats and my arms. And then here, I reach down one side at a time. Dito ang gusto mo rito, shoulders over the bar, pero hindi ka naman over na wala ng engagement yung hamstring. So here, you engage the hamstring, you stretch it, you lengthen, inhale, slap, boom, then down, first set. I'll stop the video here. First set. I'll stop the video here. Tuloy ko mamaya pag-record. Kung magkakaroon ka ng home gym at you wanna lift heavy, ito ang isa sa mga best investments na pwede mong pagbigyan ng pera mo. a deadlift jack. This helps you a ton, saving energy and effort. Kasi ang ginagawa niya, ayan, pinapadali niya pag-load ng plates. So I'll add 15 kilos per side to make it 140. A while ago, my first set was 110 plus 30, 140. Second set. When I started this running, actually, di pa ako nag-start eh. Tinetest ko pa lang siya, pero I plan to do this next year. Ang una kong ginawa, kumuha ko ng coach. Ayoko na mag-aksaya ng panahon na alamin ko pa on my own, tetest ko pa sa sarili ko, titipirin ko pa, wala na ako oras eh. 43 na ako. So doon tayo sa naintindihan yung capacity ng katawan natin. So definitely, dapat lifter din siya. 2, alam yung aesthetic goals natin, ayoko mag-lose ng mass as much as possible. 3, ayoko yung parang categorizing na hybrid training yung ginagawa ko. Other hybrid athletes can call themselves that. Pero alam ko lang, since 2015, I've been studying to find a way to connect lifting and running. I was trained under Alex Viada, and I got certified early on, pero never applied. So conceptually, alam ko siya. Planning things, alam ko siya, naiintindihan ko siya. Pero actually undergoing through the program, never ko nagawa, ngayon gagawin ko. So I hired a coach. He has done ultra runs. Nakapag-marathon na rin siya. He's a sprinter. Big guy din. Mas malaki sa akin, syempre. Bodybuilder din dati. So sa akin, if I'm gonna be coached by anyone, it's someone na nakikintindi ng physical aspect na kailangan ko para sa akin. Kasi very normal for endurance athletes to just let their muscles loose. Mawawala, okay lang sa kanila. Habol na is the time. Ako hindi. I want to do a time at a certain look of my body and a certain level of my strength. And I want to do it next year. So yan. Second set natin, 140. Siguro today, I'll just end up around 150, 160. Let's see how it goes. 3 sets lang ako dito and the rest, upper body na ako, puro arms. Bigat, kukuha ko ng belt. As much as possible, I want to do everything today beltless. There you go. Set up. Oh. Ito yung mga parts ng lifting heavy na very critical. Placement of the bar. Kapag yan tabingi, katawan mo tabingi, buhat mo tabingi. Hindi mo ma-adjust yan eh. Mabigat yung bar eh. So dapat dito palang pantay na siya. Then, find the proper position of your feet. So dapat siya may space between you and the bar. And then try to feel the side of the floor. In-envelope mo yung side using your feet. Lock your hips. Lengthen your arm. Lean forward. Then try to feel the hamstring. Ito, dito nagkakamali karamihan. They sit down. No. Relax ang upper body. Lean forward ka. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Reach out one side. Lock the strap. Relax pa yan. Then, load the hamstring. Work on the stretch reflex. Inhale. Down. 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 Last 2. Last 1. One more set. Try natin siguro mag 150. This is 160. Pero first time ko mag-160 na galing sa 1 hour run. Ito pala hirap sa mga ganito, no? Tipong hindi mo alam sino kausap mo. Pero for the most part, I think ang kausap ko rito is my past and future self. Na parang at the present, itong pagkatao ko, nasan ako ngayon, I'm trying to really build myself further. Wait, baliktarin pala natin. Okay lang yan. Kaya mo na. Video lang yan. I don't know where this life will lead me. Hindi ko pa talaga alam. But all I know is that I will always fight to live better. Makakulay yung buhay ko eh. I've experienced a lot in my life. Now, at 43, I'm still experiencing a lot in my life. I'm building a business. I'm training coaches. I'm also training a lot of clients. I want to expand this business. Dami kong bago natututunan in terms of making the gym profitable, increasing the level of service, becoming a leader more than just a coach. Kasi before, when I was operating, even back then, nung nagkaroon ako ng mga CrossFit gyms, my mindset was that kahit wala kayong lahat, kaya kong gawin yan. Pero that's not entrepreneurship eh. That's not even leadership. Right now, the question is, how do you make everyone buy into your vision, making it for themselves as well? And in the process, you guys grow together. Right now, I have 2 coaches under me. Eya, which is my partner. The other one is Aaron. They're training to become coaches. They're already coaches. They're training the clients. Pero at the same time, I want to increase the level of proficiency how they handle clients. They're getting better. They're better than me when I was at that level of starting point. So much better. Kaya parang I am imagining that in a year or 2, sobrang yung capabilities nila of training coaches themselves, mag-iba. Here kasi in coaching, is a servant leadership talaga siya. You lead by serving. Hindi siya tukos sa'yo, hindi tukos sa ego mo, hindi tukos sa capabilities mo, hindi tukos sa kakayahan mong mag-coach. It's more of how do you use what you know to help someone come from point A to point B and make it in a way na gusto nila yung ginagawa nila. So yeah. Anyway, last set natin to. I'll end the video here after this set. Siguro ito na talaga yung first ko na Coach A Rise Up vlog. Well, more on Coach A. But I'll talk about Rise Up here from time to time. 160. Let's go for 5. I'll try it once na walang belt. Kapag hindi okay, kuha kang belt. Okay, ready? Okay. Create space between you and the bar. Spread out your taint. Sabi nga ni, sino to? The greatest powerlifter of all time. I forgot his name. Spread out your taint. Lean forward. Create space. Relax lang to. Stretch. Stretch. Put the strap. Okay, lock the strap. Relax. Load. One. No. Oh. Last 2. Last 1. Kaya pa. I'll end the video here. I tried to post this no cuts. Be as fucking authentic as possible. Thank you for indulging me.